how to deselect layers in Procreate. Let's dive right into it. First of all, we're going to tap on the layers icon here in the upper right corner of the screen. Now, whenever we do that, the last layer that we've actually been working on will be highlighted in blue. And there's actually no way to deselect that layer right here. However, when we have multiple layers selected in Procreate, we can then go and deselect one or multiple of these additional layers. So let me quickly demonstrate. To select more than one layer, you would actually just swipe the desired layers to the right. Just like this here. Now all of these layers that are highlighted in blue are selected. Now to deselect these additional layers, what you actually have to do is to swipe these to the right again. So to deselect layer 11, for example, you can simply swipe it to the right. Then I will do the same with layer 5 and with all the others. And now again, just our layer 5 now is selected. Now when just one layer is selected here in the layers panel, then obviously if you tap on another layer, this will automatically deselect the layer that was selected before. And that's it guys, this is how you deselect layers in Procreate. If you enjoyed this video, please make sure to smash the like button and subscribe for more Procreate tutorials.